can search your messages into your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can search messages into your DM. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Instagram, and from here you have to go and open your DM. Now once you are in, as you can see that here in the top of the account there is the option of the search. You have to click on it. Now from here just have to search the account name that you want to search in the messages bar, and after that once you find it you just have to click on it, and if you go in the stay in chat you are able to stay in chat, but if you go in the personal DM you are also able to find it. So this is how you can search messages into your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.